Wow, summer's over. Here we go.
All right, another year, another batch of fifth grade head cases.
I tell you what, one kid calls me Lizzie this year, I quit.
Just don't pee in my lettuce bowl, and we'll be all right.
I don't know, I got a feeling this year's gonna be different. Something big's gonna happen.
Okay, we gotta move!
This is incredible!
Ah, you say that every year.
Could you not do that on my pillow?
I'm a lizard. Ugh.
That's good. Don't dignify it.
Back to school, back to school, back to school.